Hello people, welcome back to another video. I'm Vortilify and I'm going to be spreading an important message to all of you guys. So did you know that about 8 million metric tons of plastic, that is about 17.6 billion pounds of plastic are emitted and dumped into the oceans each year. You know how much that is? That is so much, and that is so crazy to me. And up until I saw this ad by Mr. Beast for Team Seeds, I have not been aware of this, but I definitely support this. But also, by 2050, all of the ocean's plastic will be more than all the fish. We'll have more plastic in the ocean by 2050 than we will have fish, which is absolutely insane. But also another thing that you may not have known is that most rivers lead to oceans. So a lot of pollution that happens in rivers can lead to oceans and cause pollution in turn to the ocean. Like 40,000 ocean-bound rivers, just 20 are responsible for global plastic input, and 1 to 2 tons of plastic are put into rivers each year and are deposited in the oceans because of that. And it's really honestly sad that our world is kind of being polluted like this, but I want to know that you can help. Go to teamseas.org and you can donate and do everything, because Mr. Beast and a lot of other creators like myself are going to try to help the ocean stay clean. And for every dollar that you donate to Team Seas is 1 pound of plastic removed from the ocean, river, or beach. Why should you support this? Well, because we love it. We should keep it as clean as possible, because we're going to have to live in this. Our next generation is going to have to live in this, and everybody else is going to have to live in this. So we should definitely keep it clean. And the goal is to get 30 million pounds of plastic removed. So that's a lot of money, but with a lot of support, you can do this. So go Team Seas. But also, there's something that every single one of you can do. Not only donate, but if you have a YouTube channel or any other social media page, you can use hashtag Team Seas, like my video, and you will be able to support it and make an awareness video about the ocean and everything that goes on with that. So you can support it, make a YouTube video, make something on any of your social medias that will help the ocean, and it will honestly be super amazing. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please support Team Seas. It is the future of our oceans. I think that it's pretty easy. $30 million, we can do this. We can get 30 million pounds of plastic out of the ocean. I believe in you, I believe in me, I believe in everyone. So spread the word, donate, do whatever you can to help, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.